Happy morning, children. Welcome back to the mathematics class of 4th standard ICSE. Today we are going to continue the second unit 2, addition and subtraction. Previous class we completed the exercise 2.1 as well as 2.2 of additions. Now today's class we are going to see about the subtraction. So let me explain the subtraction and the subtraction fact. Then we'll go to the exercise section. See children, subtraction, let me take out two numbers, 528, 312. I'm going to do the subtraction. First thing, you just write the place value of the number, ones, tens and the 100. So, write the place value. According to the place value, you can start do the subtraction. First thing is 528. This is the biggest number. This number we are going to subtract the 312. So this number we will call it as a minuend. This is the minuend. Next one is 312. We are going to do the subtraction. No, that number we will name it as a subtrahend. Then the answer going to get is called a difference. So we are going to take a minuend, which is the biggest number, and the subtrahend, which is going to be subtracted, and the answer will be the difference. So let me explain the subtraction. We'll start with the ones place number. Ones place number here 8, 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 3. It is 2. So the answer will be 216. This is the procedure of doing subtraction. Start do the subtraction from a ones place number as we did in the addition. Now the subtraction facts. So first thing is 53 minus 0 is equal to 53. Whenever we subtract the number with a 0, the same number going to be the answer for us. So addition also we saw. When we add with any number with a 0, the same number going to come. Similarly, here also 53 minus 0, the same 53 is the answer. That is the first fact. Coming to the second one, 53 minus 1. When we are subtracting 1, we will get the predecessor. We read about the predecessor, successor in the first unit, no? So that is nothing but we are going to get the previous number. In addition factor, we read about when we are adding one number, we will get a successor. Here we are going to get a predecessor of the number. So 53 minus 1 is 52. Next one is same number, 53 minus 53. We are going to get the answer of 0. When we are subtracting the same number, the answer will be 0. Now we will go to the exercise section.
Exercise 2.3 in page number 35. First one is fill in the blanks. Children, we read about the properties of subtraction, that is facts. Using that facts, we are going to fill this blanks. First one is dash minus 0. We'll get the same answer. Which number? The first fact. Yes, of course. 500 minus 0 only. We are going to get the same 500. Second question is predecessor is nothing but a before number. So 4528. Before number is 4527. Next, the third question, 6340 minus 0. So when we are subtracting the 0, we'll get the same number. Yes. Next, fourth question, 5200 minus dash is equal to 5200. Of course, it is 0. Next one is fifth, 731 minus 731. So same number when we are subtracting, we'll get the answer 0. Sixth one, 999 minus 1. So we are going to get the predecessor 998. Next is seventh one, 1000 minus 100. We'll get a 900. Next predecessor of 9998. 99 is 98. Next ninth one, 1000 minus 1 only. We are going to get a 999. Tenth one is 1345 minus dash is equal to 1344. The predecessor number is coming, so we have to subtract 1. B1, find the difference. First sum is 4051 minus 66. When we are doing the subtraction, similar like a small number subtraction, we have to start from a ones place onwards. 1 minus 6 is not possible. Get the borrow from a next number. So here we have a tens place number. 5 is there. From 5 I will took 1. So it has become 4 and 1 has become now 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Next tens place number 4 minus 6 is not possible. Get the borrow from a hundreds place. Hundreds place we have a 0. So get the borrow from the thousands place. We have a 4. So thousands place become 3 and hundreds place become 9. Tens place become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Next hundreds place 9 minus 8 is 1. Next thousands place 3 alone is there, so you write the 3. So the answer is 3185. Similarly the second sum, 8 minus 2 6. Tens place 6 minus 3 3. Hundreds place 7 minus 1 6. Thousands place 4 minus 2 2. So children, you have to copy only the 10 sums in the CW. Remaining sums, there are 16 sums are here. You can write the sums in the book itself. Only 10 sums you can copy in the CW. Next is C1, subtract and check by addition. So they given in the book itself with the arrow marks. We are going to do the procedure similarly. So we go, first one is do the subtraction. Then by using the addition, we are going to check our answer whether it is correct or not. First one is 3526 minus 1838. Do the subtraction. Start from ones place number. 6 minus 8 is not possible. Get the borrow. So it has become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Next one is to become 1. 1 minus 3 is not possible. Get the borrow. Then 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Next 4. Hundreds place. 4 minus 8 is not possible. Get the borrow from thousands place. 4 become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Next thousands place 1. We gave us a borrow. So it has become a 2. 2 minus 1, it's 1. So the answer is 1688. Now, as per the arrow marks, the answer should come at a first. Then the second number should come in the next. We are going to do the addition. See children, start from ones place number. 8 plus 8, 16. 6, 1 carry over. 1 plus 8 plus 3, 12. 2 and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 6 plus 8 is 15. 5 and 1 is a carry over. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 3526. You check that 3526 as our first number. That is the minuend. So if the number, first number which is the biggest number here, that should be call it as a minuend. So minuend number again we get when we are adding the difference and the subtrahend. Our answer is correct. So similarly you can try for the second sum also. Next D equation is estimate each difference. So we know the estimation of numbers around 10, 100 and the 1000. Do the estimation first. 71 has become 70. 59 has become 60. Then do the subtraction. So estimated difference is 70 minus 60 is 10. Actual exact difference. So 71 minus 59, when we are doing subtraction, we will get the answer 12. Similarly, you can do for the second and the third sum. That's all children. Exercise 2.3 is over now. Next exercise 2.4 in page number 36. It's a word problem children. Listen carefully. Word problem. Read thoroughly the question first. Then understand. Afterwards you can do the sums. First question is, I'll explain Now first one is there were 1500 seats in a cinema hall. If on a particular day 895 people come to watch the movie, how many seats are vacant? That is a question. So see children, read the question thoroughly once again and go to the sentence making first. So there are number of seats are there, no? How many are there? 1500. That is the first question. So first sentence. Second one is number of people came. So how many are came here? 895. Then how many seats were vacant? That is a question. So that will be coming in the third sentence. The first sentence will be total number of seats in a cinema hall is equal to 1500. Second sentence is number of people watch a movie is 895. Third sentence is therefore number of seats vacant is equal to. Do the subtraction. Start from ones place number. Write the number correctly to the place value. Then you can do the subtraction. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Get the borrow from tens place. Tens place also 0. Get the borrow from a hundreds place. 100 we have 5. So 5 is become 4. Tens place become 9 and ones place become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 8 is not possible. Get the borrow from a thousands place. So it is become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Thousands place no number at all. So it is become 0. So the answer is 605. So 605 seats are vacant on the particular day. Second sum, a farmer packed 7,500 oranges. Out of these 859 oranges got spoiled and had to be thrown away. How many oranges were left with the farmer? So, this is subtraction. First sentence is number of oranges packed 7,500. Second sentence is number of oranges spoiled. Then it is 859. Third sentence is number of oranges left. That is our answer. Do the subtraction. 0 minus 9 is not possible. Get the borrow from tens place. Tens place also 0. Get the borrow from hundreds place. So, we will get the 5. So, 5 from we can borrow one number. So, it is tens place number 9. Ones place number 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 8 is not possible. Get the borrow from thousands place. 7 we got on a borrow number. Then it is become 6. Now we have 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 and thousands place. No number in the spoiled number. So it is 6 again. So the answer will be 6,641. So when we subtract 7,500 minus 859, we will get the answer 6,641. Third sum, total cost of a television set and a mobile phone is rupees 55,990. If the cost of a mobile phone is rupees 17,897, find the cost of a television set. That is a question. So, we are going to find it out the television cost. They given both the cost of a television as well as the mobile phone. And also they given the mobile phone cost. If one thing is missing, we are going to do the subtraction. The first sentence is total cost of a television set and the mobile phone is equal to rupees 55,990. Second sentence, cost of the mobile phone is equal to rupees 17,897. Therefore, the cost of a television set is equal to, do the subtraction from a ones place number. Ones place we have a 0 minus 7 is not possible. Get the borrow and it is become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Next tens place we have 8. 8 minus 9 is not possible. Get the borrow 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Next hundreds place. Hundreds place 8 minus 8 0. Next, thousands place. 5 minus 7 is not possible. Get the borrow. And 15 minus 7 is 8. Next, thousands place. 5 minus 1 is 5. We gave the borrow. So, it has become 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So, the answer is 38,093. So, answer is rupees 38,093 is the cost of a television set. That's all, children. We completed the 2.3 exercise and the 2.4 exercise.
Today we started the exercise 2.3 and the 2.4 exercise in the second unit. We read about the subtraction facts, subtraction of 4-digit and 5-digit numbers, and also we read about the subtraction word problems. I hope that you people understand about the word problems and all. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe.